In this video, let us see the different strategies to help the student tie her hair independently. Tying the hair with a rubber band requires a lot of eye-hand coordination, motor skills, and perceptual abilities. Here we have taken a three-folded approach to help the student develop independent hair grooming skills. First, we help the student to put the rubber band on a wooden stick, as wooden stick is a robust material and gives a good stability for practice sessions. Once the child learns to put the rubber band on the wooden stick and becomes proficient with it, we slowly transition the skill from the stick to the doll. Here, the student has an additional step of holding the hair instead of a wooden stick, which is a not so flexible object, and practice to tie the hair. If you see here in this video, the student is practicing the skill to tie the hair by using the strategies that we have taught her. With few repeated attempts and practice sessions, the student has learned to tie the hair fairly well. However, the student needed a lot of prompting, verbal and physical prompting, before she can tie the hair of the doll. The student exactly had the challenges in twisting the rubber band and tying it on the doll's hair. The student needed a lot of practice sessions to achieve this skill. Once the student learned to tie the rubber band on the doll's hair, the third approach would be to tie it on herself.
Break-free solutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.